today is project day. It's project day. Anyway, I'm gonna replace all these nasty, dirty old lights. Because we went to the flea markets, or flea market, not markets. And we found, now these are cheap. You know, they're not top quality, but we found replacement lights.
They're inexpensive.
That goes right there for $6. I done replaced one, actually two. I put one in the bathroom. I replaced one already, and we bought LED bulbs to go in it too. The only problem I don't like when I took the original lights off. See this dirty old ring? Because these are a tad bit smaller than the old ones, but we can clean that. That's not a problem. We can clean that. I got to think of a way how to fill them holes up though. But we'll worry about that later. What we are going to worry about today is I'm going to change this one. There's one in the back room I'm going to change. So, let me get started on that. Boom, lights are done. Works great. I'm quite pleased with it, other than, let me turn this off. Other than that nasty dirty ring around where the old light was. Again, that looks horrible, but we can clean that up. That's the original light that we just changed the bulbs in. It actually, she reminded me, because I thought it didn't work. You can actually work it off a switch too. Which is cool, because we can independently have each light on. Independently have them both on and then kill them by a switch. Yay. So anyway, cheap replacement, crappy light going, dirty ceiling showing, low price. I believe the objective has been met. What do you think about the new lights? And Foresty Forest lives in a van. It's a YouTube guy I watch all the time and this little jingle stuck in my head. But awesome, I'm happy with it. Other than that, which again we can clean it, but that's the only thing I'm not liking right now. Okay, cheap fix done.